Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I miss the masjid and I know you do too. It is a safe place for the community to congregate and to pray and to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Unfortunately and sadly, in the past year, many masajid have had to close, and that has left an empty spot in our hearts. We value the work that the masajid do in the Muslim community. And one of the masajid doing great work for both the Muslim and the non-Muslim community is Lane Masjid in the center of the city of Birmingham in England, where there are hundreds of thousands of Muslims. And that number continues to grow because of the great work of places like Lane Masjid. Over the years, Lane has invited many prominent speakers, such as Sheikh Mashari, Rashid Al-Afasi, such as Sheikh Sudais, such as Sheikh Al-Albani. And they have had brilliant programs and classes for the community, helping them to expound their Islamic knowledge and also to teach the future generations of Muslims. Along with that, there are many dawah programs that are part of the outreach projects that reach out to the wider community as a whole. Right now, they are in urgent need to raise £15,000 to continue their work. I'm looking for only 150 special people to give just £100 each. Are you one of those people who will give sadaqatul jariyah that will continue to benefit you after you are gone? Will you be one of those people who are going to bless your wealth by giving in charity for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? If yes, then your reward is with Allah Jalla wa Ala on the day of judgment, where you could see a mountain of good deeds, prayers, fasts, recitation of the Quran, remembrance of Allah that will go on your scale, not because you carried it out for yourself, but because you facilitated it by giving towards this noble cause. Please donate and earn a palace in Jannah today and a huge sadaqatul jariyah that you will be happy to receive on the day of judgment. Lastly, please make sure you share this video. Jazakallahu khairah.